Okay, a little bit more about the form itself, as promised. And so we're going to go in here to manage form again. And let's say I wanted to change that text at the top of that form and I want to put something else in there. You go in here to messaging form heading. And then you will see that our friend, the text HTML editor, come up again, that word thing. And you see that there's the text that's at the top of that form. And you can do whatever editing, blah, 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 and click update. All right. We're going to skip that because we're not going to do that. Now, if you wanted to change, add some more questions, go here, form, edit form. A page will come up. And then at that point, you kind of see the workings of the form itself. There are some videos from this guy, and I will make those available on the YouTube page as well because they're a lot better than me at doing this. But this determines the number of columns. This determines the number of rows. Okay. So as you can see, there are rows here that are unused. And then you would hit update, and that would spread that all out for you. Okay. If I wanted to add or subtract rows here, you go right here and hover in this spot, click there. You'll see that another piece is going to come up right over here, this row manager, and I can insert or delete rows at this point. Okay, so let's say I just want to get number to number 6. So I can delete 1, and number 6 is going to go away, and there'll be a new number 6. Basically, what will happen, there just won't be a number 10. All right, see how that worked? If I wanted to move it, I can click move, and this menu comes up, and the open spaces on the form will show up here. Okay. All right, we're going to cancel that. All right, now if I wanted to edit the content itself, you can hit the edit in here. And you can see some of the options that are available in the form. You've got a text box, you've got a check box, you've got a drop-down list, a list box, a checkbox list, radio button list, a label, a file upload, submit button, hidden field, etc. You can set the width of the form here. You can set the height. Not the form, excuse me. The height and width of the actual input type that you're putting in. You can put in some autofill options, text box options, and things like that. There's various validation action that you can do. Okay. Regular validator. If you click add validator there, what will happen is you'll get this. All right. Leave the error class alone. Don't change that. You'll just give yourself grief. This is the error message if somebody doesn't complete the section of the form. And if you want an initial value in there, like maybe you wanted to say, required or whatever in that box, and then you click the update button, and that would do that. Okay. Then at that point, once you update this part, then there would be one more update of the entire form. It would show your values and whatnot here. We're going to delete the validator in this case. So you don't need a validator at this point on this form. And then we're going to hit the update button. And that will take us back to the grid. And there you go. Okay. And like I say, I'll post more videos on this form master section on the YouTube page. In fact, I'll get those up right away. And that concludes this video.